Okay, the theme of this short poems that I'm recording right now is Legacy, Legacy, and these are poems that are written with a strong influence from the Japanese version of haiku, but it's not exactly the haiku. The only thing it has in common with the haiku is that it's brief. What I'm saying is very short, very small amount. The first one I'm calling is Alone, A-L-O-N-E. Alone, afternoon, early evening, freedom to do everything reasonable. Follow a route, R-O-U-T-E, ethical. That was the first poem in this collection, Legacy. That was Alone. Next is Nostalgic, N-O-S-T-A-L-G-I-C. In the middle of uncertainty, ideas emanate, acted on, frees a mind trampled by past recurrences. Nostalgic. That was Nostalgic. Middle of uncertainty. In the middle of uncertainty, ideas emanate, acted on, free a mind trampled by past recurrences. Nostalgic. And as I said, I wrote these over a period of time. Some of these may have been written as long as 10 years ago. It's March 2013, so. But it has given me a chance to develop a new style in writing these things. What I do, even at the moment, I'm reading what I compose, but also, if there's any chance for editing, I'm doing that. This next one is Smiling Face, a smiling face. Intangible urges calm. Something intangible urges calm. In a storm or stormy ocean, balance seesaws. Put into place. A smiling face. This next one is In a While. In a while, debacle. D-E-B-A-C-L-E. Debacle abides. Guaranteed. In a while. Okay, this I call this True, I think. Yes, T-R-U-E-E, True. Pens, pencils, numerous. Time to write, think a little. Ponder a thought or two. Level or develop inclinations, true. Reading that again, pens, pencils, numerous. Time to write, think a little. Ponder a thought or two. Develop inclinations, true. And following that, this one is titled Emerging, E-M-E-R-G-I-N-G. In a state of wondering, converging, an emptiness to fill, emerging. And I've been advertising these poems on a network, social network, Shitile, and I've been getting feedback from some of the people I've been sending these stuff to, and so far it's been quite good, because most of the people on Shitile network that I'm dealing with are Asian, from Asia, so that's very interesting. This next one is, the title is Scribbled, Beyond, Sideways, and behind, enclosure. New beginnings, invalid, erased. leaving a trace of hesitancy, scribbled. That's followed by alien, A-L-I-E-N. Tasks in hand multiply. Time allow time to infiltrate. Sources, alien. Reading that again. Tasks in hand multiply. Time allows time to infiltrate. Sources, alien. And the next, ripples, R-I-P-P-L-E-S, like ripples on a river or any water. Packed, rearing to go, although far from evident. A hidden flow, stream-like ripples. Conviction, in haste, mind race to distances further than imagination. Issues erode conviction. This one is impedes, I-M-P-E-D-E-S. Comforted by delay, not to start a war today. Uneasy reservations concede. Tomorrow impedes. And following that is one titled All Clear. This has gone on very well with the people I've sent copies of this to people online, and they have responded very strongly to it. All clear. A hum caresses ear, mediation in the air. Troubled signs dissipate. Lesson fair. A notion echoes. All clear. Reading that again. A hum caresses ear, mediation in the air. Troubled signs dissipate. Lesson fair. A notion echoes. All clear. And pressing on here, this is someone aptly titled On Paper. Near, yet far away, summing up the day, midway through its tenure, T-E-N-U-R-E, far-reaching consequences on paper. Let me read it again. Near, yet far away, summing up the day, midway through its tenure, far-reaching consequences on paper. And the next, unabridged, unabridged. A desk, shaped like a wooden table low, full of things usable. Insights create space, tenable. Hands scribble thoughts, unabridged. And this is Till, T-I-L-L. Early next week. Conspicuous, a drawing closer to what will be evident. Till. Reading that again. Early next week. Conspicuous, a drawing closer to what will be evident. Till. Human. Watch life disappear, retreat somewhere where mystery confines, visible shapes fade, reappear. Human. And this is something which is just simply titled Words. Words quantify thoughts, mesmerized, deeply engaged in rhyme. This was very well received as well by the people I sent it to. Words quantify thoughts, mesmerized, deeply engaged in rhyme. Rhyme is R-H-Y-M-E. Also this one. Some pain, some anguish, gratitude. Near misses elude scrutiny, attentively relishing lessons learned. Yes, this was titled Lessons, L-E-S-S-O-N-S. Some pain, some anguish, gratitude. Near misses elude scrutiny, attentively relishing lessons learned. And the Harlequin, the title of the next one, it ties in very much with the whole theme of these things, which is legacy. A feeling of absence revels as reflections of Harlequin days hesitate. Hesitates and perpetuates abstinence from worry, curbing a mood, tense. And following that, an expanse of what is, immediately beyond. It surpasses expectations. In motion, an element of truth, tangible. And this one was well received by the folks I sent it to. Same people, on the verge of heights attainable, speeds imaginable, arriving scenarios new. Same people. Let me read it again. On the verge of heights attainable, speeds imaginable, arriving scenarios new. Same people. This wasn't expected to be included, but I'll do that because it's a sort of second thoughts decision. Past midnight dreams, while still awake, subside. And reading that again. Past midnight dreams, while still awake, subside. How are we doing for time? It's okay? Yeah? Maybe or maybe not, you think? Okay, I think that's a good test of getting these poems recorded under the heading Legacy, L-E-G-A-C-Y. And I'll include some others later on at some other point, some later stage. I hope you picked my voice okay because